Hello, my name is Malinda Gamage and I am excited to introduce you to the Westminster Vehicle Rental System that I have developed as part of object-oriented programming coursework. This system is designed to manage various types of vehicles and handle vehicle rental booking efficiently. I have developed this using C# and the .NET framework. This object is testament to the robust capabilities of these technologies and demonstrate my graphs of WP principles such as encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism and abstraction. First of all, let's go through the UML class diagram to get a better idea before going through the code implementation. The class diagram for the Westminster Vehicle Rental System showcases a well-structured architecture based on object-oriented programming principles, providing a clear visualization of the system's components and their interrelationships. Let's go through each and every classes and interfaces. According to Westminster Rental Vehicle class, which acts as the core service provider, it manages a list of vehicle objects and is constrained by a maximum parking slots limit depicted by the max parking slot attribute. For the vehicle management, vehicle class serves as an abstract base class for various types of vehicle like car, electric car, van and motorbike. Each of these derived classes extend vehicle, adding specific attributes such as battery capacity for electric car or cargo space for van, tailoring them to their respective functionalities. Each vehicle can have multiple reservation instances associated with it, emphasizing a one-to-many relationship. This setup facilitates tracking all booking related to a single vehicle. If into the interfaces, the system's flexibility and extensibility are highlighted by interfaces like IRentalManager and IRentalCustomer. These interfaces define essential operations such as adding, deleting, or listing vehicles and managing reservations, allowing different implementations to adapt these functionalities based on specific requirements. The diagram shows Westminster Rental Vehicle implementing iRentalManager and an iRentalCustomer, indicating that it provides concrete implementation for these interfaces, thereby ensuring a modular and scalable system design. According to the reservation class, this class links vehicles to their usage schedules and the drivers who book them. The reservation encapsulates all details about a vehicle reservation. Reservation holds references to vehicle, driver and schedule. This is an example of association. The reservation associates these entities together for the period of booking. If we talk about the driver class represents an individual who can reserve vehicle within the system. This class is a good example of encapsulation as it bundles the characteristics and behaviors of driver within a single cohesive unit. Each property is publicly accessible, allowing other parts of application to read and modify driver details. The constructor initializes these properties, enforcing the necessity to provide essential information upon creation of a driver object. The constructor highlights encapsulation by controlling the initialization of driver object, ensuring all necessary attributes are set when a new driver is created. According to car, electric car, van, motorbike classes, these classes extend the vehicle class and provide specific implementation for different types of vehicles. This is a classical example of inheritance, where each vehicle type inherits properties and methods from the vehicle base class, while also introducing specific attributes and behaviors. For instance, the electric car class, the electric car extends vehicle and introduces properties specific to electric vehicles, like battery capacity and range per charge. This is not promotes code reusability, but also allows the representation of specific vehicle features. Now let's go to the interface implementation for iRentalManager and iRentalCustomer. There are some methods. So I have implemented them in Westminster Rental Vehicle class. It associated with the program class to create admin and customer menu. First, I will walk through the add new vehicle method in program class, the main method of the program. So this is the starting point. And if I go to the show main method menu, there are some options to select. Then I select the admin menu and try to add a new vehicle to the vehicle system as an admin. To validate user input, I have implemented some static method in util class for clearness. For an example, readIn method is validate the maximum and minimum number that I can enter. Likewise, readDouble validates the maximum and minimum decimal number that I can enter. ReadString method validates user input to confirming inputting not empty values. ReadDate method validates the date format. ReadBool method validates inputting yes or no operations. And there are more static methods such as confirm action, sanitize file name, get report file name, file path, resolve vehicle type, hit vehicle type. They are helping to validate the user input in a graceful manner. Now let's back into the add new vehicle method in Westminster Vehicle Rental class. Now let's simulate a successful vehicle addition. Assume all provided inputs are valid and there are some available parking lots. When the add vehicle method on rental vehicle object is called, it first check if any existing vehicle has the same registration number using a link query. If no duplicates found and parking slots are available, vehicle is added to the list and success message is displayed. However, several things might go wrong. Let's consider these scenarios. Duplicate registration number. If there is already a vehicle with the same registration number in our system, The method will prevent the addition and inform the user that a vehicle with registration number already exists. Parking lot full. If our parking lot has reached its capacity, which is set to a maximum of 50 vehicles, the system will not allow adding another vehicle and will display an error message indicating that the parking lot is full. Now I am going to explain the other methods of the Westminster rental vehicle class. So according to the delete vehicle method, in the delete vehicle method, the system file prompts the admin to enter the registration number of the vehicle they wish to delete. Then check if this vehicle exists using the vehicle exists method. If the vehicle is found, a confirmation is requested before proceeding to delete it. Upon confirmation, the vehicle is removed from the list and a message confirms the successful deletion. If the vehicle does not exist, it informs the user accordingly. This process highlights the importance of the validation and user confirmation is in maintaining data integrity. According to the list vehicle method is quite a straightforward method. It enumerates all vehicles currently registered in the system. For each vehicle, it displays essential details like type, registration number, make and model. If a vehicle has reservations, those are also listed, showing the comprehensive relationship between vehicle and reservations. This method exemplifies how encapsulation helps in managing and displaying data cleanly and efficiently. According to the list ordered vehicle method, in list ordered vehicles are displayed in an ordered list based on their make. This is achieved by using the iComparable interface implemented in the vehicle class, which allows us to sort vehicle directly using their make property. By calling the sort method on our list of vehicles, we leverage polymorphism, where the sorting behavior is defined by the vehicle's implementation of compare to. This demonstrates the power of abstraction and polymorphism in object-oriented programming. According to the generate report method, generate report method showcases how our system compiles comprehensive reports. It collects detailed information about each vehicle, including any reservations associated with them. This data is formatted into a readable string and saved to a text file at a specified path. The method specifically utilizes the string builder for efficient string manipulation, demonstrating practical file I/O operations in C# and encapsulates the functionality for generating report in one place, enhancing maintainability. According to the list available vehicles, method filters vehicles based on their type and availability for a given schedule. It demonstrates the use of the I/O overlappable interface, which allows checking if the vehicle reservation overlap with the desired schedule. Only vehicle that meets the criteria are listed, which exemplifies the use of polymorphism and interfaces to enforce a certain structure in our classes. According to the add reservation method, when adding a reservation, the system first verifies the vehicle's existence and checks for any date conflict with the existing reservation. If no conflicts are found, the reservation is added to the vehicle reservation list, and the total cost is calculated based on daily rental rate and number of days. This method highlights error handling, conditional logic, and the use of encapsulation to safeguard the integrity of vehicle reservations. According to the change reservation method, for modifying a reservation, this method ensures that the new dates do not conflict with existing ones, except for the reservation being changed. It checks for overlap using the overlaps method from I/O overlappable interface. This careful handling ensures that changes to reservation are made without disrupting other bookings. It's a clear example of how encapsulation and the use of interfaces can simplify complex operations. According to the delete reservation method, finally, the delete reservation method allows for the cancellation of a reservation similar to deleting a vehicle. It requires confirmation to proceed. Upon confirmation, the reservation is removed if it matches the provided details. This method underscores the system's capability to handle user input carefully and maintain data integrity through validation. So now let's take a demonstration for all the operations by admin and the customer. Okay, I am going to have a quick demonstration regarding functionalities. So I'm going to run the program. Here we can see three options. So I am going to select another option like 5. So read in method validate the please enter a number between 1 and 3. So I have to add a number between 1 and 3. So I will enter 2 because I am going to add a vehicle as an admin. So I am going to add a new vehicle. So there are 4 vehicles. I am going to add the car. This is number 1, make 1, model 1, daily rented price 10, body style 1, number of seats 10. But it says please enter number between 1 and 4. So car can have minimally 1 seat and maximally 4 seats. So I will enter 4. So vehicle added successfully, available parking slots 49. Now I am going to add another vehicle as electric car. Registration number 2, make 2, model 2, daily enterprise 20, battery capacity 100, range per charge 100, and I will add the van as well. Registration number 3, make 0, model 3, daily enterprise 30, cargo space 30. Please enter valid number between 3 and 70. So I am going to add the number between 3 and 70 because the maximum and minimum are referred from the Google. So I will enter for passenger van. No. Vehicle added successfully, available parking slots 47. Now I am going to add the vehicle that have a registration number as existing registration number. So I am going to add the vehicle motorbike with registration number 1, make 1, model 2, real enterprise 40, engine size 40. Please enter number between 50 and 1800. So I will enter 1000 as a sidecar. Yes. A vehicle with registration number 1 already exists. Fail to add vehicle. Please check the details and try again. So it says it validates the registration number to preventing the adding existing vehicles that have same registration number. I'm going to delete the vehicle. Enter the registration number of the vehicle. I will add 6. I show you want to delete the vehicle registration number. Yes. No vehicle found with registration number 6. An error occurred while attempting to delete the vehicle with registration number 6. So it will validate it. So list all vehicles. So there are 3 vehicles. I have added 4 vehicles, then delete 1 vehicle. So remain 3 vehicles. List vehicle demonstrate that if there is no reservation, it will also display no reservation currently. And the car type attributes, specific attributes also display. And daily enterprise, the make, model, make, and daily enterprise also display. Then I will try to get ordered vehicle. So it says sorting list according to make 0, then make 1, then make 2. Yeah, it's sorted according to the make. Then I am going to generate report. Add the name like vehicle. So the report has been generated and saved to this file path. So vehicle.txt is here. So we can see there are 3 vehicles according to it's sorted according to make in menu, and going to add the new reservation as a customer. List available vehicles, add new reservation. So I want to check the available vehicles. So I want to reserve a car. So I will try to change there is available vehicle to reservation. So now I am going to add the car and the new reservation. Enter vehicle registration number 8 in the pickup date, the 2024 56 2024 58 68. Fail to add reservation. There may be an overlap with existing reservation, and vehicle with registration number does not exist. So add reservation, check the existing of the vehicle. Now I am going to add the existing vehicle for the reservation to registration number 1. The invalid date format, please use this format. The date also validate by read date method in util class. So I'm going to add drop of date correctly. Reservation added for vehicle registration 1, total price 30. So I'm and modify the reservation. So check the existing reservations as well. So then enter vehicle registration number for the reservation. I'm going to enter all pickup date 2024 54 2024 56 enter new pickup date 2024 610 2024 620. The reservation schedule and price updated successfully for registration number 1. New dates are printed, and new total price is $11, and the driver details also printed, and the reservation successfully modified also displayed. Then I am going to delete the reservation and add another reservation. Reservation added for vehicle registration number 3. Total price is $90. Then I am going to delete the reservation for the car. So enter the number for the reservation to be deleted. I am going to delete the reservation for the car. Enter pickup date. So the modified date should be entered 2024 610 2024 620. And yes, reservation for registration number deleted successfully. Yes, reservation deleted successfully. And now I am going to back to the main menu. Now I am going to back to the main menu, and will list orders, list all vehicles. Then I can see the car has no reservation currently, and the electric car also no reservation currently, and the van has a reservation on these days, and the driver details also printed. Rate report for this. So vehicle.txt. So here we can see the vehicle details also printed, and schedule details are also printed, and the driver details are also printed, and it sorted according to the make. These are the vehicle management system implementations. So here we can see the Westminster Vehicle Rental System is robustly working, and I have implemented and object-oriented programming applied, and I have robustly maintained this vehicle rental management system. It's for my demonstration.